Hello world, here is BT, your Bitcoin trading informant. And in this video I would like to show you Ada, my great member, my supporter and friend, the great werewolf, asked me, BT, please take a look about Ada. Now here it is. Ada, place number 5, coin market cap, you can see it here. The daily price, $1.07. You can see it here on the 24-hour chart. ADA is going down a little bit with 0.35%, and on the weekly ADA is going up nicely here with 15%. And you see it here. This is the chart for ADA. A nice pump to the begin, and now then a down going, and now it's going up here slightly and sideways momently. So let's check ADA here on TradingView on our TA. This is the daily TA for ADA from TradingView, and you can see it here in summary. That means buy ADA on the 1 day, moving averages, strong buy, and the oscillators are telling us sell. Very interesting, this one. In the 4 hourly here, everyone is saying to us buy that ADA, and on the 1 hour you can see it's strong buy, and the neutral, and on the 15 minute buy. So this is the most thing here for us to see is buy ADA for the long time and for the short time. But now we will take a look about ADA here on TradingView on the chart, and we'll make a quick TA for ADA now. ADA versus US dollar, and you can see it here. This is the colorful chart. This is the ADA 1 day chart, and we will check that now. For the daily, it looks not so bad for ADA. You can see it here. This is the We'll give away this here. This is the ADA with the ribbon band, and you can see it here. ADA touched the ribbon band from the beginning of this pump, and it touched and touched again, like this one here it touched, and this one here it touched. This one not really touched, but maybe this one touched. It spiked a little bit, and it's a very nice support, this ribbon band here on the daily chart from ADA. That's very nice. We are still over this ribbon band on the daily chart, and that's a really nice sign here. Let's check the indicators. Let's check the RSI. What is the relative strength index telling us? So we have this one here, the RSI, and yes, we are a little overbought with ADA, about 70 points, a little overbought. And the interesting thing also, guys, we have is here the bearish divergence. We have the same bearish divergence as we can see on Bitcoin. I showed you on a video, another video from today. The RSI is bearish. You can see this, and the volume here is going up. You can see it like this. So on the daily chart, the RSI is bearish. That's a very bearish thing for the long term, and maybe we see a correction here for ADA on the long term because of this bearish RSI. Let's check now the MACD. What's going on with the MACD on the 1 hour chart? And the MACD is telling us this one here. We are bullish, yes, but we have to zoom in here, guys. A very interesting fight here. You can see it. The blue line is, and that's the bad thing, in the daily chart, you can see it here. The blue line crossed on the daily chart the brown line. That's a bearish thing for the long term. That's the bearish thing for the daily chart here. Very interesting fight here. So, okay, let's go deeper. Let's go in the 4 hour chart. 4 hour chart, very important for us traders. And you can see it here, the uptrend is still working here, the long position since January, 29 January. It's working really good, the long position. You can see it here. ADA jumped through the ribbon band, but it fighted back. Here also jumped through the ribbon band, fighted back. That's looking very good. And ADA is still here over the ribbon and over the EMA 200. That's very important on the 4 hour chart. The MACD in the 4 hour chart, I don't know why I deleted it, is here, and yes, the MACD on the 4 hour chart is bullish. So on the 4 hour chart term here, or on the long or middle term here, ADA is bullish for now because of this crossing here from the blue line over the brown line. Very nice. We can see one thing here. We are building here a resistance line, so we can draw it here from here to here. That's a red resistance. Momently, ADA is momently on this resistance, and we can draw a line from this to this, and that's the support for the moment for the 4 hour chart here. So we are on the resistance point. That's now on $1.08, and we have a support here with 0.85. That's the support for now. And interesting, guys, if we are breaking out from this triangle, maybe we have a technical target, and that's important here for the triangle. Great Werewolf showed me that also. He drew a triangle also, and yes, you can take it like this. If ADA may break out over this red resistance, we have a technical target about $1.50. That's a very nice trade if ADA will break out the triangle to the upside. If ADA will break out to the downside, I will not show you because that's very bad. No. Okay, about 0.42 cent. That's the target if ADA will break to the downside. But you can see it here. The EMA 200 is here also as a big support here. So it's not so possible to see this one. I think the bullish moment is here for altcoins, and I think if Bitcoin is going sideways a little longer here, we may see a breakout of the altcoins, and we may see a breakout for ADA here on the 4-hour chart. I think it's possible. Let's go deeper. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Let's check this one. And yes, we are here also with this resistance here momently. We have a long position here with this ribbon band turned from red here for the short position here to the green one here, and it's now bullish. It's now growing, the ribbon band, and that's a very good sign here on the 1-hour chart, and that's a bullish thing for ADA. So let's check this one here. ADA is over the EMA 200 in the 1-hour chart. ADA is over the ribbon band, and it's now on the big resistance. If we see a breakout from ADA here from this point, if we see a breakout over this resistance line to this side here, I would make a buy. I will make a long position because this would be a bullish thing. But guys, remember always, we need a confirmed breakout. I have a video out there. If you don't know what is a confirmed breakout, just take a look about my video, confirmed breakout. You need a confirmed breakout before you are making a long position here to this. Make a stop loss under this resistance and a long position if we are breaking up ADA with this. On the MACD, ADA is bullish because of the crossing from the blue line over the brown line. Now that's a bullish sign here for ADA. So you can see ADA on the 1-hour chart very bullish. Let's take a look about ADA versus Bitcoin. So here we are. ADA versus Bitcoin. Yes, a lot of drawings here from me, and you can see it, guys, on the 1-hour chart. We are in a big uptrend, and the big uptrend is holding here, and we have a very nice support line here. I don't know why it is red, because you know, guys, support lines are always green. So yes, the support line is holding for ADA. You can see it here. We had here a dump, here a dump again, and a long position, very nice. Here the next one, and the long position now. So this support is holding very nice. We are over the middle band. We are over this resistance. The resistance is now a support. Why I make this line here. So okay, I know, because this is the middle line. This is the middle line. Now we can give this line away, but it doesn't matter. We are over the ribbon band, but we are fighting now in the ribbon band against Bitcoin. That's not so good. We have to push up from here. We have to bounce up from the ribbon band from here. That's very important for ADA for the next time here. We can make a resistance line from here to here. This is a red resistance line. ADA has to beat this line to pump here more and more against Bitcoin, and that's very important. We have also a next line, that's our support line from this point up to this point, and that's also a very important thing how here ADA versus Bitcoin, support line and red line. So it's really interesting here, because you can see it here, this triangle here, and ADA need a breakout to the upside, and also you can see ADA versus US dollar, the same triangle is working here, and that's very interesting here. So you can see it like this. ADA is fighting here also on the 1-hour chart versus this resistance line. So guys, that's a very quick view to ADA, to Cardano. In my opinion here, if Cardano may break this red resistance line with a confirmed breakout, I would buy. I'm in. I will make a long term, a long trade here. So guys, doesn't matter if you're going long or if you're going short. I wish you make millions. Have a good time. Greetings, your BT, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye bye.